梁山伯与祝英台楼台会。越剧《梁山伯与祝英台》取材于凄美的民间传说，有中国的罗密欧与朱丽叶之称。楼台会一折讲述的是，当梁山伯得知祝英台原来是女儿身，一路狂奔，兴高采烈到祝府提亲，不料英台已被父亲另许豪门。楼台重逢，生离死别，誓言死也要同坟台。
Our final performance is Butterfly Lovers' Farewell Our Boudoir. The Yue opera, Butterfly Lovers, is based on a poignant folk legend, often referred to as the Chinese Romeo and Juliet. Farewell at Boudoir is about Liang Shanbo, who, upon learning that Zhu Yingtai is actually a woman, rushes excitedly to propose marriage at her home. However, she has already been promised to another wealthy family by her father. Their reunion at the tower ends in a heart-wrenching farewell with a vow to reunite even in death.
王建华扮演梁山伯，汪威扮演祝英台。王建华是越剧表演艺术家徐玉兰老师的海外关门弟子，洛杉矶越剧团创会和现任团长。他获徐老师亲授，唱作颇具徐派风采。汪威主攻副派，舞台经验丰富，曾多次演过副派祝英台，现改唱王派，颇具挑战。请欣赏。
Joanna Wang plays Liang Shanbo and Wang Wei plays Zhu Yingtai. Joanna Wang is a student of the renowned Yue opera performing artist Xu Yulan and the founder and current leader of the Los Angeles Yue opera troupe. She has received personal guidance from Xu Yulan and brings the distinctive style of the Xu school to her performance. Wang Wei specializes in the Fu style and has extensive stage experience. Previously, she played Zhu Yinglan in the Fu style, but has now changed to the Wang style, making her performance even more captivating. Please enjoy their performance.